Hi everyone, thanks for coming back if you've been here before. If you're new, my name's Tash, I'm from Heart and Design, and I like to use the creativity to encourage good mental health and wellness and well-being and mindfulness and all those things, whatever words you want to put on it, just to make you feel a bit better. So every day I do some kind of activity. Each week it normally has some kind of set theme. So we've had lizard, panda, leaf, and this week it's citrus slice. So every single day we'll be doing some kind of arty activity or craft activity, whatever I'm in the mood for doing. And you can have a sketchbook and you can fill your sketchbook with all of the things that we do every week. And I really hope you do come along and join this journey. It'd be lovely if you had any suggestions of either types of activities or even the theme for the week. Normally I pick it out of like a lucky dip bag, but if you have any suggestions, that'd be awesome too. Anyway, let's get going for the first one. So today we are doing doodles. Let's go. Okay, so this part of the video actually recorded in slow-mo, so I'm having to do a quick voiceover. So I'm just going through the sketchbook of things we've done so far. We did panda doodle and a sketch, we did a lizard doodle and then a lizard sketch, the same for the theme of leaf last week. And now we're going to head over and do for the theme of citrus slices. Just while I'm here, I want you to know that all of the pages that I use in the weeks are downloadable kits. So you get colouring sheets, you get learn to draw sheets, and you also now get some journal sheets. Because this is about wellness and well-being, I wanted to include that. And you can subscribe on my website and save 25%. They're all downloads. If you want the physical product, you will be able to get that from TikTok Shop. But for the moment, the printables are just available on my W. You can buy them individually or you can subscribe. And when you do subscribe, you'll get like the last 4 weeks lot, because I put as an attachment on the subscription the last 4 weeks. And then each week you'll get the next one I attach. So yeah, so you get to keep up, but it means you get like a bad backlog. Anyway, so I'm drawing in pencil here in my sketchbook. I've drawn a semicircle within another semicircle and a straight line, and then almost like little triangle segments. I am doing it normally when I sketch. I tend to sketch little lines and things like that, but I'm just going straight in for it because it's going to be a flat piece of work. There's going to be no shading, no 3D-ness. It's just going to be a doodle. It's going to be fun. You can obviously colour it in when you're done. I generally, when I do the doodles on here, I'm trying to be quick for you, so they're good daily activities. I basically draw it in pencil, go over in pen, rub it out and leave it. I was being a bit indecisive towards the end. I was thinking, shall I just fill the page? But then it would have made the video a lot longer for you guys. So I just did the one big doodle. But of course, you can have a look online, look at different pieces of citrus slices, and you could draw all sorts on that page. Just fill it full, and you could also make it really colourful. You could use any kind of medium to colour them in, as long as they're nice and bright, because that's kind of what I feel citrus kind of, when I think about citrus, I think of really bright colours. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the activity. Please do repost this so other people get to see, share, like, comment, even if you just say hi. I'd love for you to say hello, even if you just watch because you're just watching to chill. It would be really lovely just to hear from you, and that helps other people see my video. The algorithm likes that a lot, so if you could help me out, that'd be awesome. Anyway guys, have a really good day, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video, or you'll see me in tomorrow's video. Take care, bye.